Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say
real, raw, unfiltered. You definitely do both. Cause I'm gonna shoot, so I'll shoot like this, yeah. Yeah, I was really thinking about it, I was like, where she went? Baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. How you been? Yeah, that's good. Like good, actually good, or you just saying good to like? No. Okay, good, that's great. That's great then. I'm gonna do testers first and I'm gonna go from there. You see. Yeah, don't look in it, you know? 4, 3, 2, 1, hold on. All right, let me know, do you like the lighting? Or do you wanna do you like that like kind of like cinematic look, or do you want it to be brighter? Like this?
Let me see how bright it looks.
Okay. I'll show you the brighter one too. And then you can let me know which one you like better. So I'm about to take the grid out, y'all, okay? And then you're gonna see how it looks. Like with this one, hold 3, 2, 1. And 1. There we go. So this is the brighter one, and this is like this darker, brighter. Brighter?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, bet. All right, she chose brighter. We're gonna put the grid down. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Currently right now, flash power is at 1/32. I'm gonna go to on the 1/16, or 1/16, yep. Play around with this, let me see, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna tell you what to do, I got you. F2.8, that's cute. Okay, one more, 3, 2, 1. 125 shutter, all right, bet. So what I want you to do is, you're gonna turn, your slits on this side. Which side's your side? All right, bet, so then face kind of like this way, pop your left leg, and then you're gonna hold your belly like this. Yeah, like that, but put that hand on top. Just like that, and then look up and off at me, yep, like that. There you go. Yeah, just like that, there you go. And look towards me, yep, and there you go, yep. Hold the turn. Bring this elbow, so just rest your hand over just like that, and I bring your elbow down, just like that, yep, and close your fingers, like that, yep, and bring your hand up a little more, right there. There you go, yep, hold, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, hold it one more. Now turn your body more that way, just like that, yep. Yep, just like that, yep, just like that, hold, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Look down at your belly. Yeah, just like that, hold it. Yep, just like that, hold 3, 2, 1. ISO 125, shutter 2.8. Shutter 200, f2.8. There you go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you switch your hands around. So put that hand down below. Yeah, let's try that. And then remember, shoulders back, belly forward, yeah. Drop your shoulders though. There you go, like that, there you go. Yep. There you go, look right here, hold 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, that's really cute.
Yeah, I like that.
That's really cute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one where you're sitting here, and maybe you're like here like this. So like try that out. Let's see how that looks, and I'll adjust you as needed. Cause I might have to make you switch. Yeah, get up again. So I'm gonna move the chair. So I'm gonna have you, cause I'm gonna shoot from this way. So that way, oh damn. Smart, all right. But I'm gonna put it like this, and you're gonna sit that way.
This way?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna come on this side of you, and I'll bring the light over here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just like that. And then bring your right foot in. There you go. And then have your left foot straight. Yeah, just like that, yep, just like that. Maybe this is, there you go. Put your hand underneath put your right hand under your belly. Yeah, there you go. And then arch your back. There you go, just like that. And yep, there you go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There you go, yep, hold 3, 2, 1. Put your other hand on top of your belly. There you go, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Look down at your belly. Yeah. Do one again and put both your hands on the side. Just on the, like you're holding it. Yeah, like that, yeah. Yeah, just like that. And now close your elbows, like that, yep. And then look right here, yep, hold each one. Yep, and 1. There we go. All right, now get up. And now what I'm gonna have you do is, so I'm gonna move this over, and I'm gonna have you, you have still in the left hand, so I'm gonna have you go like this. So you're gonna hold one hand up here, one hand underneath your belly, and then your legs gonna be popped over, and you're like this. Okay. Remember to keep your chest forward, so that way you can see your belly, okay? Like that, hold that. Yep, just like that. And then underneath your belly is your hand. Yeah, it's like that. Remember, push, and then under. Yeah, so everything's gonna be posture. All right, there you go. And tilt your head up. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Double. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's cute. Now look off that way. Oh, that's cute. And look right here at me. Turn your head a little bit more to say, yeah, like that. There you go, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand down a little bit. It's like that, yeah. Maybe like, what if you just like rest your hand on it, like, yeah, like maybe like like that. Yeah, like that. And you still like, yeah, like that. There you go. Yeah, that's cute. Hold each one. Follow me with your eyes. There you go. Tilt your head. Other way. Right there. A little bit less. Right there. Yeah. That's cute. Yeah. I think this looks really cute. Yeah. Is this real? I'm trying to think. I got an idea because I'm trying to see if this is like a real. No, this wall is not real. Because I want you to lean on it, but I don't know how much leaning you could actually do. I'm trying to think. Let me see. Because what I'm thinking is, I'm thinking like this. Like, so like maybe like you put your back onto it and you push your body forward like this. Like one of those. So try that. Let's see. Yeah, so put your back and then bring your feet forward like that. Yeah. And now bring your left foot a little bit back. Like that. And now put it on your tippy toe. Put your back, other foot. Yeah, like that. And then put that one underneath. Put this hand under and put that one on top. Yeah, like that. And then try to push as much as you can from your back. Like that. And tilt your head up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I know it's gonna be uncomfortable for a minute. I got you. There you go. Look right here. Hold it. Yeah. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Look right here. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Look down at your belly. Look down at your belly. Oh, that. Ooh, actually, that's really cute. Look at me again. There you go. Hold it. Put your other hand on the side, both sides. Hands on both sides. Yeah, like that. Yep. Now look at your belly and make a heart with your hands. Now do the upside down heart. You can be like this. Yeah, make it connect. Yep, it's like that. There you go. There you go. Yep, it's like that. Yep. And 1. That's cute. There you go. There. All right, we're good with this spot. Unless you want to sit, but I don't know if this is seatable. I'm kind of scared.
No,
Nah, it's fine. Nah, I was just making sure, like, you know. All right, boom, and then we can do that one right there. Oh my God. Whoa, this bit, actually, yeah, let me get off that. This is crazy. They got like the thinnest wood possible for this thing. It's like gate wood. It's like you could feel it bouncing. All right, they should at least put like one of these in the middle or something, like, you know, some support. But yeah, it's actually crazy. Damn, you're like, I can see you bouncing. All right, take your feet off and just sit on the edge of it. There you go. Yeah, and then bring both tippy toes, both feet. Yeah, just like that. And bring that left foot back more. Just like that. And then maybe like you hold onto the thing. That's cute. One hand down a little bit lower. Yeah, like that. There you go. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. And one more. Don't move, hold it. And 1. Turn your head more towards me right here. Right there, like that. A little bit less. Right here. And 1. There you go. Now hold onto your belly. That's cute. And then maybe put that hand up higher now. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. And now bring your feet out more. Like that. Yeah. Bring that foot out a little bit more too. Tippy toes. Yep, there we go, like that. Hold. Yes, exactly. Hold it. Look down at your belly. And 1. Now go ahead, stand up. Let's see how we can make this work. So I kind of want you to like stand. I kind of want you to stand here like this. You gonna be able to stand? You good? Hey. There you go. All right, ready? Yep. Hold each one. Belly. There you go. Hold each one. And 1. Hold it. Don't move. There you go. Tilt your head a little bit less. Right there. Hold each one. 1 and 1. There you go. That's cute.
Yeah, they come out cute. I like that.
Yeah, these look really cute. Yeah.
Yes, I like those.
Yeah.
Lord.
Yeah, I know, bro. I'm gonna have to remove it. They're making my job harder. Yeah, we still got a little bit more to do. You wanna do something up there? Pushing the carriage?
Yeah.
Let me see what time it is. Make sure you have enough time.
I already did that. Pose.
The upside down heart, yeah. All right, it's 2:30. So you wanna change?
Yeah.
All right. Just conducted a maternity session. Got another maternity session after this one. I got 3 maternities total today. I did a branding session earlier, and then I also did a wedding, a pre-wedding day today. Then tomorrow we have another wedding that we're gonna be shooting as well. So yeah, test it real quick. Bring up my flash power to 1/8 power. There we go. ISO going back down to 100. That 1/8 is exactly what I need. Okay, but damn. Well, I gotta make sure. Everything bounced from this bit. Let me see, hold on. Oh yeah. All right, let me see. So you're gonna be like, maybe like this right here. So yeah, pop that, and then so what you do is you'll grab this with a pinky, And then you put your hand under like that. Yeah, there you go, hold 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold 3, 2, 1. Yep, and hold on. Don't move. I'm gonna get my 8200, y'all. So I can hit it from this background. Get my 8200, put it on channel B. There you go. And then put it back here. Oh, we get some type of light from back there. Let me see how that looks. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay, bet. All right. So we gotta get this dress right. I think like this. So you gotta keep your body up straight. Yeah, like that. And then now, so take your hand away. I'm gonna fold it for you. I got you. So fold this and now grab like that. There you go, just like that. Yep. And then this side. Yeah, now bring that foot forward more. Yep. Ah, there we go, like that. Yeah. And drop your shoulder. There we go. Hold 3, 2, 1. Try to untilt yourself. So like your body's like this. Try to be like, yes. There you go. Yep, there you go. Exactly. 3, 2, 1. Turn your head towards me. There you go, yep. Hold it. And 1. Now come closer, keep that same exact form. Just come closer to the carriage now. Yeah, just like that. Yep, just like that. And don't close your hand, clutch it too much, just like release that hand. Yeah, so like release, so you can like see the nails a little bit. Yeah, like that. Yep, just like that, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Don't tilt your head too much, there you go. Yep, hold it up. You good, you got it. I know. A fan, it's like a metal one?
Yeah, it's like.
Oh, you might want to touch that water with your feet. Where's the, feel it? Keep falling. That's not bad. It's not a bad pose either. Like that's not, yeah, we could, Oh, hold it, let me see, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Switch your head too much, a little bit less. Yeah, like that, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Put both of your hands down like this, just like that, yep. Hold 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Turn your head this way a little bit, right there. Tilt it, this other way, right there. Hold. More. There we go. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I like those ones more. Those is cute.
How you do somewhere like you kind of try to pop your belly out a little bit, so you can like see your belly a little piece. I did a little video. There you go. So, more. Your head a little bit less. The other way, right there. Belly touching on your belly, yeah. Body, yeah, like that. And chest forward. There you go. Like that, yep. Hold 3, 2, 1. Hold it. There you go. Turn your head this way, right there. Tilt your head, right there. Other way, right there. And one more. There you go.
Like that.
Yeah, it's cute. You say you're doing a lot of moving, Mom. All right, did you want to do the water? Hold on, let me see something real quick. I hope you get up, hold on. All right, you got to think about this too, though.
What?
After you get that dress wet, you got to take it back home.
Right. That's what I was thinking.
That's the only thing about if you do get it wet. Oh, like me shoot at this angle?
Yeah.
Like what, you standing here? Or how you thinking? Oh, like you on that edge, like go all the way over there. Yeah, like there. And I shoot across, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. Nah, yeah, it's for. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Belly, yep. Hold it. Yeah, that one. Put some flash back there, y'all. I gotta put that little flash back there. Oh. Am I gonna get wet? All right, there you go. Okay. All right, put my 8200 behind there, y'all. So now it's gonna be able to flash off and get some background of her. And yeah, so I just moved my 8200 to behind her. So now the photos that come out from here should be looking, pretty darn fire, might I add, if I do say so myself. B, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I just gotta turn that flash power down for B. Hold it. Yeah, oh yeah, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, turn your head towards me. Right there, hold 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. This is so cute. Hold it, yep. Put that hand on top. Just like that, yeah. Yep. Hold, 3, 2, 1. Yep, hold it, don't move. I'm going back up for compression, 3, 2, 1. Look off that way a little bit. Hold it. One more, yep. And one. There you go. Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cute right there. What you could do is do that same, so like the same kind of like how we did before. And I'm gonna bring this closer to you. So I'm gonna bring this bad boy like right here. And you can put one hand on there. So you're doing this again. Yeah, and then have that right side with your belly open. Yep, just like that. Remember, open your hand. Yeah, like that, there you go. All right, so now, same as I shot. Yeah, there you go, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, turn your head this way a little bit, right there. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go, don't be afraid to get the shot, gang. Hold it. Yep, one more, yep. Turn your head this way more. Right there, hold it. Tilt your head, that way, right there. Hold it, yep. One more, hold it. Look off that way, tilt your head up more. And 1, there we go. Go through your hair like this, right? Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Oh, do it with both hands, ready? So I'm gonna have you like going like this. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. There you go. And now hold your belly. There you go. Back. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah, cute.
Carrot really just added to it. Yeah. And I think you're good. Yeah. High five. I'll move that. Come on. Watch your step, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. It was a vibe and things of that nature, man. I'm gonna continue to do more anything for the shot type style sessions. I have to remember to go get my 8200. It is back there. But I love you guys. I'm gonna leave a link down below to Png, you guys. Make sure that you guys join up. If you guys wanna learn more about your photography and get a lot better within your photography process, you should definitely look into Png University, www.png University, and I'll leave a link down below. Also, you guys, Peerspace is how I was able to get this space. If you guys like this space and how this space looks, definitely check out the link down below on Peerspace to be able to get $50 off of your next Peerspace booking. All right, until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I